How old are you?
This should go on YouTube.
Hey, Ford. What's your name?
Ford.
How old are you?
I don't know. 3.
Okay, who's your favorite brother?
Christian.
Who's your favorite sister?
Baby.
Okay. What do you like to do?
PlayStation.
What kind of toys do you like to play with?
Legos. Christian.
Who's your best friend?
I just told you it's Christian.
Okay. Do you like to fish?
Yeah.
What kind of fish?
One fish.
Bullheads or salmon?
Four heads.
Do you play with Ronald?
Yeah, we're fishing on Ronald.
Do you go fishing?
Yeah.
Who's this?
Baby.
Baby girl. Baby girl.
Do me again.
Smile.